Yo, what's up guys? This is Groovy for arcrypto.com and I wanted to make this update video for you guys because we just had a very important monthly close for Bitcoin and I wanted to show you what this means and what to look for next. So right now we had this monthly close. We closed at a 35% down move. So right now, if we make a fib retracement from this point right here all the way to the top, you see that we just bounced from the 618 level, which is the 30k 31k level, and we held support at the 50% level, which is 37 350, somewhere like that. So this is good. We seems to have bounced from this support right here, but we need to actually zoom in a little bit more so that we can have a better look at the support levels. So moving on to the weekly levels, we have this range right here, this pretty big range that we have over here. So we count from the close of these candles from the wick over here. So this is the 32 to 30k level, and we seems to have bounced from this area on the weekly time frame. So this is looking very good for Bitcoin right now. We may have some resistance in this upper range right here. So this is something to watch out for now in the weekly time frame. But this is looking better because of this bounce right here. So let's see if we actually are able to reclaim this 38,500 level, which is this range up here. Moving on to the daily time frame, a little more zoomed in. So you see we still have this kind of range, this resistance level. To this resistance level, we can actually increase it a little bit more in the daily time frame, so we can have a more detailed look. So yeah, this is basically the major resistance area that we were talking about earlier. If we are able to reclaim it, then we can possibly see a major upside movement for Bitcoin. Looking at the EMAs for the daily time frame as well, we have the 50 EMA all the way up here. So this would be a very nice thing to look at if we are able to reclaim this area. So I recommend you guys to keep a closer look in the 50 EMA on the daily time frame, which is very important. As you can see, we always find support in the bull markets in this area, and we lost it. So if we are able to reclaim the 50 EMA, this can be very good for Bitcoin. And then we have the 21 EMA as well. This can be also a very nice early indicator for bullish trends. So this is something also to keep an eye on. And moving on to the 4-hour time frame, we still have the ranges, the weekly and daily ranges. We can also make a case for this area right here, which is also a resistance level because of this point right here, and also this area right here. Also, we mentioned this area in previous updates as well. So yeah, this would be the 42k level all the way down to 42,100. this is also a nice support range for us to keep an eye on. We had this W pattern play out on the 4-hour time frame, which was this one. We seems to have broken the neckline of the W, which was here, and we are basically playing out this pattern right now. So yeah, we might see some more upside for Bitcoin in the next couple days. I wanted to quickly talk about ADA as well, which, again, as we said earlier, it's doing very well against BTC, and we have this triangle pattern that I drew earlier, and it seems that we are breaking out right at this instant. We can measure this target right here. If we can actually set a possible target from this point on the pattern to the bottom. We can say that technically the target for this pattern would be all the way up at an all-time high of $2.5. So this is a pretty high target. Obviously, we're not gonna hit it right away, but this is a very nice movement if it actually happens. So I'm expecting a breakout right now and some more upside for ADA. So this is probably a good trade for spot or even futures if you guys are doing that. So that's basically all that I wanted to talk about. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update so you guys can have an idea of what to look for. We have some pretty nice opportunities right here, and seems like the market is doing good so far. We still have to see how it plays out in the next couple days, but it's sure looking better than we were looking a few days ago. And if you guys want to see more of our content, you can access yarcrypto.com. We have our Discord community as well, so if you guys are interested in that, we have a lot of live TA going on and a lot of good people as well that you can talk to. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Groovy for yarcrypto.com, and bye bye.